Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. Your bottle's in my way. And this is
Maddie.
Maddie's here. What do we have for you today? This right here. Uncle Steve Shake, the sauce with no name. This awesome sauce. That's right. I was down in Houston last week, and I stayed at Uncle Steve's house, so I stole a couple. He gave me a couple bottles. Anyway, here's the regular one right here. I got some gold label Uncle Steve Shake sauce. The sauce with no name. Enjoy. So what we're going to do, if you haven't seen me offset chicken and you're wondering how to do that, I got other videos doing that. We're going to skip through that part. We're gonna put some original. I'm having wings and you're having strips or whatever. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna apply the Uncle Steve Shake original on them, and then at the end we'll come on with you and we'll show you putting some sauce on it, because you don't put your sauce on at the beginning. You put your sauce on towards the end and let it thicken up a little bit. And we're going with the gold labeled ones. So next thing you're going to see, applying the sauce. And right now we're making some cookies on the Z Grills. We made some homemade Z Grills pizza. It was awesome. Good one, Maddie. Let's move on with it. All right, y'all. Showing right there. The sauce with no name. It's a sauce. It's a all sauce. Uncle Steve Shake. The sauce with no name. All right, so down here, check that out. That's with the regular shake. Oh yeah, I can see some goodness in this. We're gonna get this on here, let it thicken up just a little bit, and we'll do a taste test. All right, y'all, finish this up and we'll meet you over there where there's some light. Check that out. Look at that. Chicken wing goodness. That's right. And we're fixing to do a taste test, a quick video. Uncle Steve Shake, the sauce with no name. A good sauce for anything you need it to. We even got the gold label sitting over here, and it's Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. There you go. Cooking in the dark with Papa Texas. These things look awesome. We shook on some of the original Uncle Steve Shake on these. And then we added the Uncle Steve Shake, the sauce with no name. All right, Maddie, get you some tongs, pick them up. She's going to eat some boneless tenders. Papa's going with that one. I think that looks pretty good. I like the way it baked in there. Oh, wow. Wow. That is a good blend, isn't it? A sauce with no name. Wow. Uncle Steve's link is down below. Buy anything, tell him Papa Texas sent you. Steam coming off that baby. That's really good.
I need a drink. Much spicy.
I'm impressed, Steve. Uncle Steve. Sauce with no name is 100% approved around here. My boy, we sent some to my boy. He went crazy over it. And I got 3 bottles, and he's pretty jealous of me right now. All right, it's Papa Texas. Leave me a thumbs up, a subscribe, and Maddie. She's been here. We've been making videos and cooks and stuff today. It's been an awesome day today. Take care. God bless. God bless Ukraine. Hit that bell. See ya. I can just eat the skin. Oh.
So good.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Really good. See you.